This is Algebra 2, Module 3, Lesson 8. It says, explain why we need to specify that B's got to be greater than 0 and less than 1, and B can be greater than 1 as valid values for the base B in the expression log B of x. Okay, so if you, maybe you can scroll over a little bit to, oh, I didn't scroll over, I marked. Scroll over to the right, okay, and you will see where we have your two forms that you need to know. You need to be able to go back and forth between these two forms where x is equal to the base to the L power, and you need to know that that's the exact same thing as log of B, which is log of base, or log of B, log B of x is equal to L. Okay, you got to know that. Now, all I want you to really remember here is if B is equal to 0, then we would have log of 0 of x is equal to L, which is the same thing as saying 0 to the L power is equal to x. Well, can x ever equal 0 then? Can it ever equal 0? We're not going to have x equal 0 in this case. Okay? If you have a log base 0, you're not going to have x to equal 0. Okay? Can't do that. Same thing, if b is equal to 1, then the log 1 of x, I probably should put these, let me put these in parentheses here. Most of the time you will see these written in parentheses. Okay? Log 1 of x is equal to L. Well, if log 1 of x is the same thing as 1, base 1 to the L power is equal to x then we're not going to have x to equal 1. Okay? You're not ever going to have those two to equal each other. Okay? So just remember that. Now, there's more to that because when it's less than 1 but greater than 0, it works some of the times, all this type of stuff. I don't really want you to focus in on that. You'll see that as we go through this, though. Okay? So calculate the following logarithms. Okay? Log, what do you say in place of log? You should know this if you watched your video. What power? That's all you have to see. What power of 5 is equal to 25? To what power of 5 is it equal to 25? 2. So this would equal 2. So to what power of 10 do we get 1 over 100? 1/100th. What are we going to have right here? Not negative 10. You're on the right track, though, because you did 10 to the 10 power. That's not right. 10 to negative 2. That's going to be a negative 2 because our base is 10 now. Okay? So now log, or to what power of 9 is 3? One half, correct. To what power? We need to do the square root of 9, right? Well, how do you write square root of 9? It's to a 1/2 power. Okay? See what you're going to have to deal with here. These are not going to be simple cram before a test. There's a lot to think through with these. That's the reason why I said last night's lesson may be the most important lesson from here on out. You've got to understand logs. When you see log, you should think to what power. Okay? To what power does my the base need to be to answer what's inside that parentheses? Okay? That is your answer at that point. Okay? Everybody good with that?